Hey everybody! Today for lunch I'll be making air fryer Cuban sandwiches. What all goes into the air fryer Cuban sandwiches? Leftover pork tenderloin cooked. This is my leftover slow cooker best Hawaiian pork loin. 1 loaf bread like Italian. I'm going to be using little mini loaves of ciabatta bread. 4 to 8 slices of Swiss deli cheese. I just got this in the store, not in the deli. 4 to 8 slices of deli ham. 1 cup pickles. I'm using the hamburger dill chips. 1/4 cup mustard. 1/4 cup mayo. I'll be using Miracle Whip because Dave likes Miracle Whip better. And you may use more or less depending on how many sandwiches you'll be making. So let's begin. To make the Cuban sandwiches, we'll take the ciabatta bread, make sure it's cut all the way through, then add some Miracle Whip or mayonnaise on both sides, then add some mustard and spread that all over. This is really bumpy bread, so it'll be hard to spread. And I'm only going to be using 1 ham slice because these are small, kind of in half, maybe 2/3. Put that on top of the mustard and mayonnaise. Then add a sprinkle of your pork tenderloin on top of the ham. Then top with a piece of Swiss cheese. And then put on some pickles. And then put the other half of the bread on. I'll finish making those and then I'll meet you over at the air fryer. Take your basket, put in 2 of your sandwiches. So we have air fry, 5 minutes, 350, and we want to cook this long enough just for the cheese to melt. We can cook it up to 10 minutes if we need be, and then hit start. So here is the air fryer Cuban sandwiches. And rounding out the meal is Mexican black beans. Let's see what Dave thinks.
Well, I got 2 things here. Which one?
The sandwich. That's a air fryer Cuban sandwich.
Huh. I don't know what the Cuban sandwich is.
It has ham and Swiss cheese and pork tenderloin and pickles and mustard and Miracle Whip.
That's a heck of a blend of flavors there. I like it. That's good.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.